Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw perfectly straight lines in PowerPoint using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you've ever struggled with crooked lines while designing slides, this quick trick will save you a ton of frustration and give your presentations a much cleaner, professional look. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint slide where you want the line to appear. Head over to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Inside the Illustrations group, you'll find an option called Shapes. Click on it, and under the Lines category, select the basic line tool. Now, move your mouse over to the slide and click where you want the line to begin. Keep holding down your mouse button. At this point, if you just drag, you'll notice the line moves freely in any direction, and it can look a little uneven. Here's the shortcut that makes all the difference. While holding your mouse button, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. The moment you do this, your line will snap into perfectly straight angles. You can drag horizontally, vertically, or at clean 45-degree angles. This ensures your design looks polished and symmetrical without any extra effort. Once you're happy with the length and position of your line, simply release your mouse button first, and then let go of the Shift key. And that's it. You now have a perfectly straight line on your slide. This small trick might seem simple, but it's one of those hidden gems that can instantly improve the quality of your presentations. Whether you're creating dividers, diagrams, or visual guides, mastering this shortcut is going to make your slides look way more professional. And there you have it, a fast and easy way to draw straight lines in PowerPoint like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to use this trick in your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.